Alright guys, welcome back to SPEEDhaus. Here we are working on an M340i, and this car is going to make 1,000+ horsepower when we are done. I know that sounds absolutely crazy. You may remember this car from a while back when we did the M3 Killer. This is the same car. Originally on the stock block, she made a little over 800 wheel horsepower on all-wheel drive. She finally popped the motor on the stock block, stock rods and pistons, and now she's back. We just got the motor back from KLM. We sent it off. We had new rods, new pistons. We sleeved the motor. It's got 8RP head studs, and we got it back. Over the last week, we've been putting it back together. If you don't remember, this car also has a pure drivetrain transmission, stage 2 behind it. So she's got all the transmission, all the motor, and with that, we needed some other things because we got more motor. So we have a ginormous turbo now. We went from a 6466 to a 6875. Huge difference in turbo. And then we went from 950cc injectors to 1300cc injectors. We got more fueling, more boost. I cannot wait to get this car going. We're almost there. We have it all back in the actual car. So we're slowly buttoning it up. We cannot wait to drive this thing. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll keep her going. All right, so with the motor back in the car, I now have to put the intake manifold back in and the exhaust manifold back in. Get this turbo on. I think it'll fit. It should fit, which is obviously much larger. We gotta run most of the wiring harness still up top. So I gotta put the exhaust manifold on. I gotta get this button up the exhaust, all that stuff underneath, and new fuel pump's gonna go in the car. I don't know. I feel like I've been working on this car for a while now. It's been a little over a week since we got the motor back. Let's get ready to button up this car. All right, so we've got the turbo in, got everything ready. Okay, so the first break-in procedure is to unhook the last harness on the DME, which controls the coil packs and the injectors. Okay, so we want no spark, we want no fuel, and we also have the spark plugs out of the engine. Also, for precaution for our turbo, we're going to crank the car over. Well, okay, outside of we'll do one. Okay. Besides that, we're going to crank this over and make sure we have oil pressure coming to the turbo. After that, after we see oil in this, we'll hook this back up to the turbo. And then we have procedure we have to follow through on cranking this over with no plugs and everything else. And then after we do that procedure, we'll fire it up.
$6 there, huh?
$46.
Fuck you.
I'm about to go get one if I can borrow Logan's car.
You ready? Yeah, let's go. Yo, not yet. Alright, you got oil. You got oil now. And she's nice and blue. Like you bet that weird fucking oil that you put in that bitch.
Oh, it's special.
It's breaking oil, yeah. Here.
Bluish green.
I got you so you can't make that.
I put a hot Cheeto in there. I heard that makes them faster.
I have to go grab a
Look at that 9/16 there. Give me those here.
Yeah.
Yeah, 9/16 was everything.
Man, it's such a good call.
Oh yeah. Fuel rails, the fuel lines, everything. But that's what no, I know, but I'm saying it's an all around, it's all around tool.
Yeah.
It's everything.
You know, I've never done much work on standard, so
like 9/16,
about it.
13. You got, you know what I mean, half inch or half inch is 13. My bad.
I got
9/16 is going to be 14. 3/4 is 19.
All right.
That's it, baby. You want to? Here, just step into it. Come on, but wait, are you starting it? You just cranking
it.
Okay.
Yeah, crank it. I gotta read that. Let's see. Do not use. That we have GP1 brake-in oil in it. 30 weight. We have the plugs not in the car. We have the last DME connector unplugged. So I have to crank the engine over for 3 times for 10-15 seconds.
Cool. Got it. Yep.
Yep. Well, I got time to do it. That was one. That sucker just haul ass with no plugs in it.
I know.
Alright, ready? Number 2.
Third time.
It sounded good, spun good. It's got oil pressure. That would
Yeah.
have put oil on everything.
Yeah. Next step, starting it.
Yeah, put plugs in it. Oh, we gotta go get fuel.
What is it? E40?
I gotta put
Oh, it's pump. That's
like
right.
91 or 93 in it.
What'd you get when you went to?
I got gas for the tractor.
You didn't put 91.
No.
You should have filled that bitch up, but now we should have got the damn car. Damn. You could have got it. Yeah. Anyways.
I got tractor gas this morning. Not it. We're gonna gap these plugs. Tell what we gap everything else to. Nobody specified, so 0.22 it is. The M340 is finished. We're ready to take it on its first drive. First fire up went good. And as you can see, it's out of the shop. We are looking at probably the fastest B58 car in Oklahoma. Yeah, I would second that. No, I don't know of another car around.
Yeah.
That'll.
Well, cool.
Oh, that was like that was 1,000 RPM.
1,000?
Yeah. Wow. Now will it stop at the stop sign? What the? I'm not in sport. Just
So, right now we are on whose base map? Do we know who's tuning this thing?
it's not race spot. I think. That was it called?
Yeah. But we did flash the base map on
Yep. Yes. Base map is on.
it. And the pops out of this thing are brutal.
I mean, we're not breaking like 2,000 RPM. That was loud.
That was very loud.
Sounds good.
Yeah. So, for now, the only thing keeping this thing from fully ripping is 500 miles.
500 miles in a dyno session,
Yeah.
and 3 retorques of the head.
When you put it like that, that sounds like a lot.
That's what KLM specifies. So after 100 miles, we will retorque the head, and then at 500 miles, we will retorque the head again. Then we'll go to the dyno to get fully tuned. Then after the dyno session, we will retorque it one more time, and then she is ready to give it the beans.
So, we won't bore you guys with, you know, the break-in process in this video. We just wanted to get it back on the streets, which we did. It's back on the road.
She's back. There's been a few challenges. There's about a month downtime from the motor out to the motor in, but we are there. She's gonna be fun. She just sounds spicy.
So, if you guys want to see this car making full rips, make sure you subscribe. And if you need to contact the shop, do your own build, whatever you need to do, or call us, it's in the description below.
Yep, and somebody else will work on it, not me.